Suppose you want to buy a new car. How you will buy a new car? First you decide which car you want to buy, then you go to showroom and you will meet the salesman and you will ask for the quotation for your car. And once he gives the quotation, then you will ask for the discount. You start negotiating with the price, you start asking for the discounts. And once he gives the final price, then you take the quotation and you will go to the next showroom. You will go to the next showroom and again you ask for the quotation. And once he gives the quotation, again you ask for the discount. And once he gives the final price, you compare the quotation of both the showrooms and then you see who is giving the better price, who is giving better discount, and you buy it from there. Because you know that whatever the discount he gives, that is your savings. Money saved is money earned. That is what we all do when we want to buy anything like car or anything big amount. Now the second thing, you go to vegetable market and you want to buy some tomato, and the vegetable vendor says 20 rupees per kg for tomato, and you start bargaining with him. You say that no, give me at 15 rupees, because you bargain with him because you think that instead of 20 rupees, if he gives you for 15 rupees, your saving is 5 rupees, right? There also you bargain because you can save 5 rupees from vegetable market. Next you go to the fish market. There also you will start bargaining with the sellers and you try to bargain so that you can get better price. Suppose you want to buy some home appliances, and now we are in the month of September, right? And you know that November month is the Diwali. You know that during the festival, many shops, they come with the discount. You will try to postpone your purchase for a couple of months thinking that during the festival I buy it, so I'll get the better price. So that is what we all do in our day-to-day life, right? Always we look for discount. Always we negotiate the price. But in trading, we don't do that. In trading, we don't bargain. We don't negotiate the price. Whatever the price we see on the chart, just we go and buy it without even negotiating, without even looking for the discount. Small things like in vegetable market also, we negotiate with the vendor for 5 rupees, 10 rupees. But when you are trading, you don't negotiate at all. You just buy whatever the price you see. That is the objective of today's video on how to negotiate the price in trading. How to get the price at discount in trading. So that is what today's video is all about. 3 best entry techniques in trading. I am going to discuss 3 entry techniques, how you can take better entries in trading. This entry technique which I am going to discuss in this video is part of my upcoming swing trading course. As I mentioned earlier, I am coming soon with my swing trading course for people who can't do day trading, people who are into full-time job where they can't sit in front of computer for an entire day. For them, I am coming with a swing trading course. So in that swing trading course, I have added this topic about best entry technique. In the swing trading course, I have shown this best entry technique on the stocks on daily time frame. But in this video, I am going to show you this entry techniques on smaller time frame, that is 5 minutes time frame. But it can work very well on swing trading also. Before I show you with the chart, let me brief about the 3 entry techniques. And the first entry technique known as ambush entry technique. Second entry technique is known as retest entry technique. Third one, I am sure everyone knows that conventional entry technique. But ambush entry technique and retest entry technique, I am sure most of you may not be aware of it. That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. Ambush technique is something like a flash sale. You know that sometimes Amazon, Flipkart, they all come with some ad. Only for 24 hours, you will get these items at the special discounted price. In that time, you will not even wait. You will go and just buy it on that 24 hours because you know that after 24 hours, you will not get that special price. Ambush entry technique is like that. Ambush entry technique means you will not even wait for candle confirmation. Once you have identified the support and resistance, you will go and just punch the order. You don't wait for confirmation candle, nothing. The advantage of ambush entry technique is you will get one of the best entry because you are not waiting for candle confirmation, and if that trade works, you will get one of the best risk reward trade. But disadvantage is win rate will not be much because since you are not waiting for candle confirmation, within seconds your stop loss can get hit. But if your stop loss hits, your stop loss will be very small because you are entering at the right at the support and resistance. So that is what the ambush entry. Win rate will not be much, but risk reward will be very good, and even your stop loss hits, your loss will be very small. Second one is retest entry technique. Retest entry technique, I gave you the example of you postpone your purchase because festival is coming up and you think that during the festival time you will get special discount, special price, and you think that let me postpone the purchase, I'll buy after couple of months during the festival. So retest entry is like that only. Retest entry, you need patience and discipline. That means you will not enter once you get the confirmation. You will say no, let me wait for some more time, let me see if I get at the discounted price. So retest entry is like this. If you have seen the candle confirmation near some support or resistance, suppose you have seen a green candle near the support, you will not enter once candle close. You will draw a line close to that 50% of that bullish candle, and you will wait and see whether price comes back and retest that 50% of that candle. If 50% of that candle touches, then you will enter. That means you will show the patience to wait for the better entry. Here also advantage is you will get better price than conventional entry, but your stop loss will be slightly bigger, not small like ambush entry technique, but you are getting at the discounted price. Now third one, conventional entry technique. This is something common entry most of the people take and many people know that. And the conventional entry is once you see the confirmation, you will go and place a buy order and you will keep the stop loss. So the advantage is it is more safer than ambush entry technique. You may get better win rate, but risk reward will be as not great as ambush entry technique, but risk reward is not bad either. So these are the three types of entry techniques which I am going to discuss in today's video. Now let me take you to the chart and let me show you yesterday's chart. Yesterday's Bank Nifty, that is 22nd September. I'll take you to yesterday Bank Nifty chart and I'll show you all three entry techniques. Where was the best entry? Okay, I said three types of entry, right? Three types of entry you can take in trading. One is ambush entry, second is retest entry, third is conventional entry. So now let us see what actually these three entries are. Assume that this is your resistance, this is your support. Okay, this is what resistance and support on your chart. Maybe there is a CPR or there may be any support or resistance, anything it can be, just for example. And you have marked the support and resistance. Markets opened, started going up, came near the resistance. Ambush entry mean just shorting here without even waiting for candle confirmation. Without even waiting for candle confirmation, shorting here called ambush entry. Retest entry means once you see the bearish candle and you know that there is a selling pressure, entering at the 50% of that candle, half of that candle is somewhere here, right? Entering once price comes and touches that 50% of that bearish candle, that is what the retest entry. And what about the conventional entry? Conventional entry is, as everyone knows, that once you see the bearish confirmation, shorting here. So that is what three types of entry which I have discussed. That means near the resistance, if you see bearish candle like this, entering right at the resistance called ambush entry. Second entry, drawing a line close to 50% of that red candle, that is what known as retest entry. Retest means you will mark a line close to 50% of that red candle and you will negotiate the price. You will negotiate the price. You will say no, I will not buy at market price, I want better price. So you will wait for price to come to that 50%. Now you will short. That is what the retest. Conventional entry, that is something everyone knows, that conventional entry means entering here at the candle confirmation. Once you see that, okay, full body bearish candle, shorting here at the candle close. That is what the three types of entry techniques in trading. Now let us see that on the chart. Let me explain it in much better way. And there can't be better example than yesterday's chart. What was the yesterday? Yesterday was September 22nd. September 22nd chart I am taking the example. What happened on 21st September? 21st September market opened somewhere here, big crash, right? There was a big crash happened on 21st of September in Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty chart, 5 minutes chart. Okay. Whenever there is a big crash in the market, whenever there is a huge movement in the market, next day you are likely to see wide CPR on your chart, because previous day was a huge day, right? Like this 21st September. Whenever you see CPR is very wide, market likely to stay sideways. Okay, market likely to stay sideways. On sideways days, what you can do, you can trade between the ranges. Okay, so that is the best thing you can do. Identify ranges and trade between them. Right now, let us see 22nd how you could have taken the entry, all three entry. Where was the entry? Which one was the better? Which one would have given you good risk reward? Everything let us discuss. Let us play the candlestick on 22nd. Market opened with a pin bar, then immediately next red candle started going down. It broke the previous day low also, right? But what we will do, we will not go short. Why we will not go short? Because CPR is very wide. Wide CPR mean chances of market staying sideways. So we will not short this red candle. And that is what happened. And that is what happened. You can see that it is, instead of going down, it started going down. Now, what is your range? Range is, you can see that one range, you can see that days high. Another range is days low, right? These are the two ranges, you can see that. Now, what ambush trader will do, what trader with ambush technique he will do, he will short here. He will short right at that resistance. He will not wait for any candle confirmation. Why? Because he will get the best price. He will get at very discounted price because his entry will be here. If he waits for some confirmation, then his entry will be here, because he will see that after candle close, oh, there's a big rejection, price rejection. That price rejection means it's a resistance is working, then he will short here, right? Conventional trader will short here at the candle close, but the ambush trader will short here. Ambush trader will short here. Conventional trader will short here. Once he sees the rejection, once he sees the candle close. Both will keep the stop loss here only. Why they keep the stop loss here? Because CPR is very wide. Keeping stop loss above the CPR would be very big stop loss, right? Just look at the stop loss of both the trader. Ambush trader stop loss is this much, and the retest entry trader stop loss is this much. In trading, what I keep saying, trading you can't win every time. It's not possible that 10 trades you take, all 10 trades will hit you profit target. That is not the objective in trading. Trading is taking the best setup and losing small whenever you are wrong. So by doing the ambush entry, your loss would have been only this much, right? Because you entered here. So that is what, there is nothing like right or wrong, but you should know that ambush entry technique can give you better entry plus smaller risk. Why ambush trader enter here without waiting for candle confirmation? Because he sees that there is a CPR, there is a wide CPR. Wide CPR means it is likely to act as a strong resistance. That is what he gets the confidence to short here. That is why ambush entry technique is something only people who are experienced, who have good practice in trading, where they have good confidence to trade, they can take it. New traders, they will find difficult to take the ambush entry, because in the live market it is very difficult to enter without candle confirmation, right? But ambush entry technique can give you one of the best entries, because they enter at the right at the resistance and their stop loss will be smaller. And the conventional entry trader will enter here. And what about the retest entry side? 50% of that candle. What is the 50%? 50% is somewhere here of that candle, right? So retest entry trader will enter next candle when it comes to the 50% of that candle. He will enter here. Okay, so these are the three types of entry technique in trading. Now let us see what happened after that. Okay, I marked the range now. Now let us play the candlestick. I'll show you again three entries at different location. Let me play the candlestick now. Okay, one range, it faced resistance, started coming down. And this is what another entry, and this is what the ambush entry trader will do. Ambush entry trader will enter long right at the support. You can see that this is the support, day slow support. He will enter long here. because he will get the best entry, right? His entry is here. Ambush trader entry is here. What about the conventional trader will do? Conventional trader wait for the confirmation candle and he will enter here. Now just look at the stop loss. Where both will keep the stop loss, their stop loss will be below the day slow, right? Look at this. Ambush entry trader already in profit in the next candle only, because he entered here and his stop loss was here. Already he is in good profit. Already is almost 1:2 risk reward profit, right? But conventional entry trader has just entered. He still entered. He has just entered and his profit has not started. What I said about the retest entry trader will say, no, I will not buy at the market price here. I will buy at the discount. I want discount. He will negotiate the price with the market. I am ready to wait, but I will not buy at the high price, right? And he will draw 50% on that entry candle, that blue line, and he'll wait for the discounted price. And you can see that yes, he got that discounted price, and you can see that next candle came to close to 50% of that bullish candle and then started going up. So ambush entry trader entered here right at the support. Conventional entry trader entered here at the candle close, and retest entry trader entered almost near the 50% of that green candle. Can you see the three types of entry? Which entry is better? There is nothing like right or wrong. It all depends on which one you want to take, because stop loss is same. There is no difference with the stop loss. Stop loss you will keep below the day's low. By ambush entry, your entry was here. Already you are in profit in the second candle, right? That green candle already you are sitting with the profit. Conventional entry trader, he just entered. By that time, ambush trader already in profit. And retest entry trader said, I will look for the discount. I will not buy at market price. He waited for 50% discount and he got the discount here and he entered here. That is what the three types of entry technique. So ambush entry can give you very good risk reward, but risk is high in ambush entry because your stop loss can get hit within seconds, because you are keeping stop loss very close stop loss, because I said stop loss is below day's low. But good part is, even though your stop loss hits, your loss will be only small compared to conventional entry or the retest entry. Look at your stop loss, very small stop loss. That's why I said ambush entry risky. Your win rate may not be very high, but whenever it works, it can give you great risk reward. Now look at this. Now look at this. You entered here, right? You entered at that support. Look at how much profit you made. Your risk was only this much and you are having a very good risk reward, right? This was the reward, this was the risk. More than 1:2, more than 1:3, more than 1:4 kind of risk reward. If you are a trader who believes in risk reward, then I can tell you ambush entry is one of the best entry. If you are looking for safe entry, then conventional entry is better. If you are looking for discounted price, then retest entry is better. So this is what I have discussed in my swing trading course, which I am coming very soon. In my swing trading course, I shown this method on the stocks on daily time frame. I shown how you can take the best entry. Okay guys, you have seen all three types of entry technique. As I said, nothing right or wrong. Only thing is that your risk reward will be different in all three entry techniques. Ambush entry only for people who have experience, good practice and ready to take risk. Retest entry also better because you are entering at the discounted price. That is also good, not bad. And conventional entry technique also not bad because it is safe method compared to ambush because you are entering after confirmation. I hope you have liked this video and you learned something new in this video. And if you want to learn day trading, then go below this video in the description section. I have given the link for my upcoming webinar. If you are interested to learn day trading, you can click that link and you can join my upcoming webinar on day trading with pivot points and price action. So guys, I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to my channel and share it with your trading communities. Thanks for watching this video and wish you good luck.